to the channel. It's unusual on this. I fly my drone the other day in my fantastic nearly £1,000 DJI Mini 4 Pro. The screen went on me, went blank. Eventually it returned to home when the battery died. I took it up the second day and exactly the same thing happened, although this time it responded to the return to home command. It was going to ditch into a pond. It gave me a little nick on my thumb catching it. I'm not bothered about that. You know, what I'm really bothered about is, you know, the DJI aftercare service, you know, the DJI refresh package. I mean, yeah, oh look, lovely, yeah, my amazing new bloody controller, my 4K camera, my 4K camera, yeah. You know, I've got a Mini 2 SE here. Look, it works fine. Yeah. Yeah, I might as well use that. Yeah. The problem is the app was taking up a lot of space on my phone. I mean, I'm sure that anyone that watches this will say their, you know, Mini 4 Pro's amazing and the controllers are the most fantastic thing they've ever used. I mean, you return something to DJI in the Netherlands, yeah, because we're not in Europe. Then you need a waybill document, you need a shipping label, and you need a commercial invoice on the box. And sorry about that. And that's part of being in Europe. I can accept that. Now, I received those emails on Friday when I spoke to the robot at DJI called Brandon, and yeah, yeah. Now at sort of 9:39 this morning, I get I get an email. Greetings from DJI Europe Complaint Department. It was never a complaint, it was just going back. We extend our... We have a case... Your case has been escalated to our complaints department. We hope to satisfy... Hold on, I've got to pause this to read it. Rewind it, sorry about that. Yeah, your case has been escalated to our complaints department, and we hope to find a satisfying solution here. We extend our heartfelt apologies to your help. Heartfelt apologies, yeah, for the inconvenience you've experienced. We assure you that we have designated your case as top priority with the intention of swiftly assisting you in resolving the matter. Recognising your concerns, we kindly request the following information prior to the next steps. Sorry. 1. The exact time the two incidents reported. 2. Kindly synchronise the flight records using the DJI app. Instructions attached. 3. Kindly export the flight logs via the following path. Loads of hyperlinks. Now they can go to hell in a handcart if they think I'm doing that. yeah, yeah, and there's a couple of emails exchanged between each other. Yeah, I mean, I was supposed to get a phone call about my thumb, you know, because he could have taken half my fingers off, you know, because it was going to land in the pond, and it wasn't going to land in the pond. I might as well have let it land in the pond, but I mean, I sent an email and said that, you know, in theory this could have been packed up for DHL, because I received DHL shipping labels on Friday, so it could have been read. It could have been gone out the door. It could have gone out the door by the time I received this email. I should have played bloody dumb and just done that, and just sent the bloody thing, so I don't read my emails, unless I'm expecting them. But that's my mistake, and yeah, I'll swallow that one. Yeah, you know, but anyone, I mean, yeah, I mean, I deleted the DJI app because it was just taking up too much storage on my phone. Yeah, because you've got so many other stupid, pointless apps. Yeah, so I used my mum's phone for it. So wasn't that going to be that easy? Yeah. So yeah, not everyone's got a terabyte iPhone. So it's, what I'd say is, don't buy a DJI Mini 4 Pro, just buy a DJI Mini 2 SE. They're just as good. Yeah. Just take care of yourselves and each other, and don't be, you know, I'm going to Birmingham and to their flagship store, and I'm gonna sort of make my feelings known. Don't you worry. Yeah. See you Saturday, DJI. Yeah, sorry guys to do the outro. Well, yeah, what I will add in short is DJI want you to do their work, basically. I've actually owned 3 DJI drones. The first one never took off the ground, the DJI Mini 2 SE. Something about IMU calibration. There are problems. I will add the link to the video about the guy that had the problem, if I can find it. And I'm going to have to reinstall the app, I suppose, and use my Mini 2 SE, because I'm not sending that back to those a-holes in the Netherlands. I mean, I can advise a good drone repair shop in Brighton. They repaired my DJI Mini 2 SE when I crashed it, and there's been anything wrong with it since. You know, I think we should give the work to the British people anyway, and stuff them. Take care of yourselves and each other.